Dear viewers, K.G.C is happy and proud to introduce you the following documentary of mathematics. K.G.C students would like to thank Mrs. Jailan Hussein Rusdi for her support and Mrs. Shireen Zaki and Mrs. Marwa Allam for their supervision and above all special thanks for the director of the college, Mrs. Zainab Abdel Hamid.
Hello, our dear scientist Pythagoras. It's our pleasure to share your knowledge of science with everyone.
Hello, dears. Thank you for choosing me in your program.
So let's watch together a short movie about your history and your famous theorem.
Pythagoras of Thamos was a famous Greek mathematician and philosopher born between 580 and 572 BC and died between 500 and 490 BC. He is known best for the proof of the important Pythagorean theorem, which is about right triangles. He started a group of mathematics called the Pythagoreans, who worshipped numbers and lived like monks. He was an influence for Plato. He had a great impact on mathematics theory of music and astronomy. His theories are still used in mathematics today. He was one of the greatest thinkers of this time. Pythagoras was born in Samos, a little island of the western coast of Asia Minor. He went to Egypt in about 535 BC to study with the priests in the temples. When Egypt was invaded by Persians, he was taken to Babylon. Some say he was the first person to use the term philosophy, since he worked very closely with his group, the Pythagoreans. It is sometimes hard to tell his work from those of his followers. One of the most important work of mine is that theorem of Pythagoras, which is in the right angle triangle, area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse equals the sum of the area of the squares drawn on the other side. In triangle ABC, if measure angle B equals 90, then BA squared plus BC squared equals AC squared. That's the end of our documentary. We hope you like it. See you next week. Best of luck. Thank you.
Thank you for the nice presenter.
Now could you please explain your theorem?
In the right angled triangle, area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse equals the sum of areas of the square drawn on the other two sides. Now, after listening to the theorem, where are my followers?
We are here.
In triangle ABC, BA squared plus BC squared equal AC squared.
Now it's time for discussion. Come in.
Can we use different triangles, or we should use the right angle triangle?
No, it must be right angled triangle.
How about the sides?
3, 4, 5.
Why?
I will set you. BA equals 3. Then the square equals 9. BC equals 4. Then the square equals 16. So 9 plus 16 equals 25. And the square root of 25 equals 5. So the triangle is 3, 4, 5.
Thank you, Pythagoras, for your great effort and for devoting your life in science.
You are welcome.